Good morning all. Let me just check. As I say, every time we do this we have to check everything lines up, the camera and stuff like that, because obviously it's sometimes not so great. So, hey, it's looking like I'm in shot, that's good. Just playing some music here by a close friend of mine called Hanaschange. Amazing music. She said, you know, obviously she'll help me build my business with that, just giving me that background noise. But, 1 second. So, for now. I'll put a link in the comments for you to go and check that song out, because it's actually really good. She's got loads of songs on there that you can check out that you'll probably see me using. So, I'll comment as myself now. And there we go, that's the link to that song if you want to check it out. And I'm gonna, let's unmerge this. Oh, I'm talking, let me mute this in case any of you comes through. So now I've got the camera set up in front of me and I've got the live update. I can see your comments. If anyone there is watching and stuff like that, just comment below, like below, just say you're here, let me know you're here, and then I can give you a shout out. You can ask Q&A through it and I'll come through it and answer at the end. But as we go, here we go, this is the today's live session. Oh, hi Liam, good to see you. I hope you're doing well, my friend. I know we missed things this week, but we'll get you updated as soon as we can. Well, next time I see you really. It's all good, we've got everything ready for you just to update you on that. But, the live session, here we are for all yours watching it later or who's going to join us. So, this week I want to talk about, I've created today a new whiteboard session 8. I know a lot of the time I've been covering anxiety through my whiteboard sessions recently. Obviously the whiteboard sessions are about anxiety, depression, purpose-driven reasons, anything else you can think of, things for changing your life. Today I actually focused on habits, with it being a new year and the fact that we need to start implementing a new, new year, new me, new changes. How do we actually do it? What is the way we go about making that change? That's what today's episode is about on the Patreon. This is how habits are created in the brain, this is how they're formulated, this is how you actually make a habit from something you have to force yourself to do. You have to force to eat healthy or go to the gym or read a book. This is how you actually get it to be a subconscious part of your day. You just start to do it, just implement it. Takes a couple of weeks to get into the habit, into the background, but it's all good to see. James Boy, welcome. Congrats to you, sir, for some of those who well know who don't know, but congrats to you anyway. Hope you're doing well. So, if you're there, as I said, give yourself a shout out, say hi, I'm here, I've had a good week, I've had a bad week, any questions, just keep going. So as I said, this new video is about habit creation. Not only that, I've linked it to habits that you can do physically, so it can be gym, nutrition, but it's also habits of the mind. It's like what you're thinking about every day and how you can change it from I was thinking about this to thinking about this. Again, if you really want to see that and you're not comfortable with the £1.20 a month, that's fine. I could send you this video direct if it's something you're really interested in. I care about getting the quality to you, so it's always good to know if that's something you really want to see, you're actually asking for it and I'm delivering it. So that's one thing. Now, today, oh hi Shirley, good to see you, I hope you're doing well. A thing I'm going to talk about this week is overworking yourself. Now, with me, I do a lot on this project. I've got a lot, work in the background. You might see me posting things every day, uploading videos every week, a blog every day on my Patreon. We've got the live sessions. I do quite a lot. Plus, in the background, as Liam may know, Liam does know, we've got private coaching things. We go back and forth on what our actual plans are and what we're going to do. So, among all this, I've got all these products and things I'm trying to generate, plus live the normal, healthy lifestyle as you all want to. And sometimes you can get overwhelmed. Now, with me, what had happened is I'd had all these brilliant ideas that had come up with me and my friends, my coaches, and we was, thinking about implementing this and that. And what about, when you get excited about a new project, you're thinking of everything. Well, what I did was, I was sick of it being in the back of my mind. Oh yeah, I've got to do this and then this, and oh my God. So I created a spreadsheet with them all on everything I need to do. This is what we've got released, this is when it's coming out, this is what we're doing next. All these great ideas, and then I looked at it and I thought, oh my God, I have got a lot to do. We have got a lot to do as a team. We've got a lot to promote, we've got a lot to build. When I looked at it, I'm not going to lie, my heart started racing a little. It was a lot to take on. Hi Tanya, good to see you. Hi Alicia, I hope you're alright. Good for joining. As I say, I've just said I've done the whiteboard session, just been released, and then we're going into habits and into being overworked. That's what I'm discussing now. So I was overworked. I was looking at too much. I've put it all in a spreadsheet, and it's overwhelming how much I had to do. And it almost seemed like the mountain was too big to climb, you know what I mean? Even with my team, even with everything I've got planned. One thing I did was, and to get rid of this monster of, all these ideas, I obviously had the spreadsheet in front of me, I had it scheduled. Also what I did, I do meditate, but I did something called a flotation tank, a sensory deprivation tank. This is something I do when I'm always overwhelmed. You go and all you do is float for an hour, pretty much in the dark. It's like a dark bath where you float on top of the water, but it's great. It's amazing. You get some incredible insights, and it's so refreshing. And it's been, shown, studies have said it helps with anxiety, it helps with, that helps with depression, stress, it helps with physical body, it can help heal your physical body, like muscle pain, stuff like that. So I went, and I thought it'd be a bit of a shame for me to go and do this experience all the time and not actually tell you guys about it. So I decided to make it into a short documentary. I've not released it yet, I'm still building it, editing it, but you even see my change from quite stressed, quite anxious in a way when I'm doing the videos to after. And I rewatched it and I'm on the train and I'm just so relaxed. It's so weird to see. So yeah, that's coming out soon. A short little documentary of what the flotation tank did for me, how it affects my mentality, and a few more things I'll throw in there of just saying this so you can release stress, not just the float tanks, but the meditation, the scheduling, everything. The fact that it doesn't have to be done right now. You get overwhelmed half of the time because you're thinking, I've got everything to do, and sometimes it's not that hard to do. You just have to start it, and it's not as much as you think because you've only got a short time period to do so many, and then you move on to the next, move on to the next. So that's a lot. I know I spoke quite a lot this week. I've had a bit of a broad here and there on the live session. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm not going just yet. Give yourself a shout out, give yourself a like, throw in a question if you've got anything for me, and I'll try and answer it here and there, get me used to that kind of back and forth. I hope you're all enjoying the content. Like, I'm trying to put out as much as I can to help people to get your mind fixed on what you want and create them new habits for the new year, and sort of, just, as it says, some people here have come to me for coaching as well, and I hope that I'm giving you that thing you need, the support or the strategy you need to get what you need to get. And if it doesn't work, just let us know. We'll retest. We'll find a new way until you are where you want to be. That's what it's all about. So I'd just like to give a shout out, actually, because the more I'm doing this, as I say, I get overwhelmed a lot. And a big part of me keeping on with it and keeping discipline is all the support I get. Like little messages here and there every day, either it's people who I've worked with or I'm working with or clients, or there's always something every day. It's like, oh, you've helped me with this, or this is really good, or, even when it's something a bit critical, that's a bit, but I like the idea, like just being, in a way, it's sort of having that, some confidence every day of someone saying, this is good, that's good. And maybe if you need that in your life, a bit more confidence, if you started throwing that around to other people, saying like people you care about, people you appreciate, and you say, you know what, I appreciate this about you, I like this, and they might just, for the first few times, they'll be a bit, why are you saying that's a bit strange? And then eventually they go, oh, thanks, I appreciate that. Yeah, I like this about you as well. And it sort of builds that confidence within you. So I'm watching myself. It's really weird because I'm behind myself on the screen, as I said last time. And look at me, they're just slapping my hands. What am I doing? Does anyone out there have any questions? Is there anything you want me to address? Is there anything you think you went over that too quickly, or I've got a story, or what do you think? Is there anything out there? I'm just going to look at the chat now, see if anyone's enjoying it. Anyone wants a shout out? It's looking quiet. I hope you're all there. No, it's good to see you all. Good to see all your support. As I said, I was very overwhelmed. It was very hard this last few weeks, but just consistency and just scheduling. It's just makes it so much simpler rather than keeping it all in your mind, and just talking about it as well. If there is a problem, just talking about it to someone who maybe has what you want out of that outcome, maybe a good relationship, a good physique, something like that. You go to the people who've got the results. It can always help. Hi Jay, welcome to join us. You've joined us pretty much at the end, Jay, but that's fine. obviously I always put on the live event so you can watch it later if need be. So Liam's come to us here. When's the next mastermind meeting? Oh, he's giving out secrets in the live event here. So, for some of you who don't know, as I say, I have a team. Liam is part of that team. He's one of the coaches. He's incredible. He gives me a new insight all the time on how we can look at things, how can we address different characters, because obviously some people aren't going to like my style of speaking or the way I coach people. That's fine. We're not here to, ego boost. We're here to help people. So he's great at that. And the next mastermind, what I'll do, Liam, I'll put you on. We've got a thing called Team Up. It's great for small businesses. It's like an online calendar where you can just set, the calendar, and you can all agree when you're free. You'll all be able to see it, and it's filled in. What I'll do is I'll put it on Team Up so the rest of the guys can see it, and I'll message you just saying these are the dates that Dave said they're free. I hope you're all free. No, it's fine, Liam, don't worry about it. I mean, everyone knows that behind the scenes it can't just be one person running everything. You need to ask for help. That's another thing, like, as I'm just riffing off here. And it's alright, Jay, don't worry. You're always welcome here, mate. Any questions you have, just throw them out. If you want me to recap, throw that out, it's fine. So essentially, everyone knows in business you need to ask for help, and that can be in life as well. And anything you need to do, you need to lose that sort of ego of I have to be perfect and I have to do it all myself. You have to sort of say, well, it's okay to ask for help. And it doesn't even have to be an open ask for help. It can just be as simple as, when someone says, you okay? Say, this has been annoying me recently. And they might give you the right thing, the right bit of advice you need at that time. Hi, Kristen, welcome for joining us. This is, I think it's your first live session. I'm near the end now, unfortunately, but if you've got any questions, throw them out. I've said 3 or 4 times now. But as I say, I'll recap for all those who've just joined. So there's a new habit creation video out for all my Patreons. Just because it's the new year, we want to get new habits formed, new things built. On top of that, I was overscheduling myself, working way too well. I had too much on my schedule to comprehend on my own. And then from that, I scheduled out and I went to a flotation tank to clear my mind. It can be done with meditation. It can be done with all of the things. It can just be done with sitting down quiet, just relaxing. Just let your brain calm down, let it settle. So that's what I did. I was overwhelmed. I did the flotation tank. With that, I'm doing a documentary on it, like a personal documentary I'll release, so you can all watch my experience and decide if it's something you want, Oh, thanks, Kristen. I appreciate it. That's great. Cool. But yeah, for anyone out there, do you have any questions? Is there anything you want me to recap on or cover? Or is there anything you think you should, you want to share? I've had this week, or one day at a time. I love it. Anything you think's, great. I'd love you to share this with people who, may need help or just interested in this kind of thing. Anything like that. But that's my weekly update for this week. If there's anything you want to know about, where's the live video? Can I get it without being a Patreon? Can I see this blog you've been talking about that you're releasing every day, your working day? Where do these flow tanks exist? How do they work? Like anything you want to know, how do habits work? How are they embedded in the brain? So just give us a message. Obviously, we can just chat back and forth. But thanks again for tuning in. Honestly, like all the support. Every week it seems like more and more people are coming to these live events, these live Q&A sessions, and it's class. Like, now imagine if we can get all these people, there's 6 people viewing live now, it's incredible. If we got all these people liking, commenting, sharing the posts, everything, and we all got in a room, man, we'd be buzzing. Which actually brings me to my next point. I have contacted a place now, and we should be planning a live event soon. Imagine. So a lot of pressure on me on stage talking to you guys, but we'll be able to get you up, tell your story. We'll have other people there selling whatever work they have or promoting their work. If you want to promote your work, come down. We'll have coaches there. We'll have it all. So Lee, good to see you, Lee. Actually, I really need to catch up with you because you're great with this kind of stuff. I've literally finished up the live now. I've pretty much wrapped up, but I'll keep it on the Facebook page so you can watch it all. But, thanks, Jay. Can't wait for your message. But yeah, basically, thanks for all for coming. We'll have hopefully a live event soon. How cool would that be? And yeah, I just really appreciate all your support. Create the habits you want and have a great new year. And always, if you need someone to message, I'm only a message away. So thanks again. I'll see you all soon. Right, how do I stop this?